Hey guys, welcome back to Ultimate Beauty. Today I'm going to do a little review and makeup look of Too Faced's Dream Queen palette. Super pretty. Every year I get super excited for Too Faced seasonal palettes to come out. This one did not disappoint. So you've got, I think, 24 eyeshadows, ranging from matte to shimmer to glitter. And then you have a contour shade, 2 blushes, and a highlighter. I wasn't a big fan of the highlighter at first, but if you watch the video, you'll see that it blends to a nice shimmer. I thought it was too dark, but it's not. The palette also comes with this little lip gloss in Pink Swan. It's pretty on its own, but it also makes a nice topper for a deeper lipstick. And of course, a mini of their famous mascara. It also comes with a travel size of their Hangover RX setting and priming spray. I'm not a big believer in these, but this one actually works. I always thought it was just essentially spraying water on your face, and that was a lot of money to pay for just water, but this works surprisingly well. 12 hours later, my makeup was still in place. And of course it comes with a nice bag to keep all of your goodies in. I'm hoping to do a blog review that is more in depth and hopefully has the swatches. There are endless looks with this palette. I've created so many, this is just one. Here's my first Too Faced Dream Queen palette makeup look. So we're going to take the shade Polar Bear Hug and put that all over the eye. So we have a nice frosty base to work with. Then we're going to take the shade Santa's Bakeshop and put that into the crease of the eye. Blend it out with a blending brush. Then we're going to take this purpley shade, Christmas FOMO, on a little angled brush. We're going to dampen it with some water first. Then we're going to take this goldish tan shade, all the Jingle ladies, and put that on the lid. Then some liquid liner. It's not a part of the set, but I'm going somewhere later tonight, so. I like my eyeliner matter, so I will be using a shade from the set, Special Delivery. Then take a little pencil liner in the lower waterline. Then I'm going to take a tiny bit more of this purple shade, Christmas FOMO, and run that along the lower lash line. And this little set came with a mini of their famous mascara, so we'll pop that on real quick. Then we're going to take their contour shade, which is a very pretty shade, Christmas Roasting, and run it along the cheekbones. Then we're going to use their highlighter, Snow Extra. I wasn't a fan of this highlighter at first. I thought it was going to be too dark for me, but as I blended it, it became a really pretty shimmery champagne shade. Then we're going to take one of the blushes. We're going to take this one. This is Winterberry. And we're going to take a tiny bit of Silver Bells, that sparkly shade right there, and put it in the inner corner of the eyes. And then take a little of Keep Your Hands to Your Elf on my finger and put it in the center of the lid. Then we will take the lip color that came with the set. It is in Pink Swan, and just pop that in the lips really quick. The set also came with a travel-sized Hangover setting spray and primer. Never been a big believer in these, but I used it the other day, and after 12 hours my makeup looked perfect. Exactly the same as when I applied it, so now I'm a believer. So we'll spritz this on. There we have one of my finished Too Faced Dream Queen palette makeup looks. Thank you for watching. Stop back next time for another video. Check out the blog. I hope to do swatches of the eyeshadow palette. And stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.